Today we're discussing one of the important topic of the subject economy, and that is variously asking in many of the competitive examination as well those who learn the economics. So very first thing, there are so many business in the market. If I told you that go and count all the businesses run within your area, I'm not talking about your city or any district or any state, but I told you that in your area where you will find various kind of a business in your area as well. So now as well we are growing over and over. The first state, then the country have so many crores of the data for the businesses. So this is the simple human mind. When we want to learn something, we make in categorization. Like standard, we make 12 standard. In those, if you want to learn about the economic affairs, we learn economy. If you want to learn about the truth of the science or the nature, that is the science. If you learn about the society, you will learn the social science. So here we categorize all the businesses into the sector, and that is various kind of a 5 sector. Generally you will maybe learn about the 3 sector, but as of now this is like a 5 sector what we are considering all the economical businesses. So very first thing, that is the first sector, that is depend on the nature, like agriculture, mining. Yes, even mining is under the first sector, just because we want minerals from the earth. Okay, our earth, beloved earth. Second is the animal husbandry and beekeeping and other things. Second one is the factories, and that is the depend on the machines. All the businesses which are depend on the machines, that is called as the secondary sector. Third, that is the tertiary sector, that is depend on the services like teacher, lawyer, IT professionals and the doctor, who make their career dependent on their knowledge, where the knowledge is enough. Fourth sector, that is one of the part of the third sector, and that is the depend on the research and development. That is one of the scientists, economists, they are using research and development. How can we make our subject or our vision far, that we more increase our efficiency. Fifth one, that is dependent on the decision makers like a judge, then CEO, just because in the company CEO taking the decisions, then the government which can take decisions to run the country. So these are the sectors of the economy, and we divided it for our easiness. So I will hope that you will learn this better, and if you learn this, subscribe this. In the next reels we are using this kind of a graphics, many more. Thank you so much.